So let's go to the next step of actually opening this guy up and selling the parts separately. The aluminum, the platters, maybe any copper, whatnot we find in there.
Hello.
Okay, so let's get this top out. I think I got this. Well, there's one more screw somewhere. It's probably hidden in here somewhere. And there you go. We found the hidden screw. There you go. So we got a hunk of aluminum. There you go. There's even some nice gold in here, some gold tips. I'll show you guys shortly. Got the hard drive magnets. I don't know if the small ones sell that well on eBay. In my other video they were going about 50 cents a set. If these do sell, the smaller ones, it probably won't be 50 cents. It'll probably be 10 to 20 cents because there's not even 20, probably 10 cents a set because they're so tiny. So you got that. Let's remove the platter. And even the platter, from what I checked on eBay, wasn't worth that much. They were about, I think, on average 50 cents, I think, each. But it was still worth putting them on eBay compared to selling them to Board Sort. Board Sort pays about, or not about, as of right now, as of today, 25 cents. Obviously that goes up and down. Oh, wow. Okay, that platter just shattered. So obviously you can't sell that on eBay. But I'm guessing Board Sort would probably take it. So this is like a mix of glass compared to the bigger ones that were more metallic, more bendy. So this is more of a glass type of platter, completely shattered. Let's put this on the side.